Hello everybody, it's Lisa Brown, Barnacles Crafting. I picked this up at the Goodwill bins and we're going to go ahead and make it into a cute little interchangeable home decor that you can use for different seasons. I'm using European gold rub and buff, going over all the edges of this because it had kind of an orangey looking color to the wood and I didn't really care for that, so I'm just making it all look pretty similar. I went over all of the feet and I did paint the three little metal flowers we took off and made the same with that. I did the European gold on that. I'm gluing in just a small Christmas tree with a little dot of glue. We're going to put some lights in here, and I did change my lights out from what you're going to see here because there wasn't going to be any way you could really turn them off the way I had them. I glued these little lights to the back and I glued them in 2 or 3 different places, and you just really couldn't get in there really to turn it once those were glued down. So I changed them out in the end, and I put a little warm tea light down at the bottom that you can take it out with the backing and turn it off. We're screwing back all of these little flowers on here. You could leave these off if you didn't like them and fill the holes, and then you might want to just do a little bit of the wood underneath it because it is kind of an orangey color. I'm putting 3 little pieces of Christmas greenery here, and I'm making sure I just use little drops of glue, and then I'm kind of gluing some of the leaves together, letting them touch. That way it kind of helps hold all this on without having to use a lot of glue. I am going to post a picture at the end of this showing you several different ways that you can do for different seasons. In fact, I may just go ahead and post the picture. You might see it a little bit longer. I ordered some little cardinals from Amazon this summer, and I am putting one of the small ones right here on the bottom. I did clip off the little wire legs because I didn't really need those. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in some of these little red frosted berries that you get from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just putting a few on just here and there so that we have just a little bit of color. Like I said, you can see the 2 lights there look like little headlights, and I didn't like that. So I took those off. I put them in another space thinking that would work, and they still didn't look right. So I ended up doing something else when this video was done. I'm putting a little bit of tea-stained tobacco cloth and making just a cute little bow to put up on the top. And I just used a little dot of glue for that as well. I'm going to show you a couple little close-ups that I took so that you can see this in closer view. I hope you guys all enjoyed this little video this morning. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you guys all later.